Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on MacBook. So if you want to split screen on in MacBook, what you have to do, this video will show you how to split screen. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos like this. So I'm going to open Safari browser and also Chrome browser, and I'm going to show you how to split screen in these browsers. So what you have to do, if you want to split screen, here you will see this minimize. Okay, take your pointer to the minimize point like this and click on it. Go back again, and you have to just hover your pointer like this. Now here you will see tile windows to left screen. Okay, now click on it. So when you click on it, now you will see like this, and now click on it. Okay, so like this you can split screen. You can work both of on this both of the screen. So like this you can split screen in the MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.